Hi everybody, this is Vinny with GS Software. Hope everybody's having a great day. I want to show you the latest distance calculator Excel tool that we have built. As some of you know, if you've seen some of my other videos, I specialize in Excel tools for logistics, scheduling, and transportation companies. So what is different about this calculator and the problem it tries to solve is that it calculates both driving distances from point A to point B and also the deadhead miles, also known as the empty miles. Those are a big problem in the trucking industry because those are the miles that for which the company doesn't make any money, right? Because they're just a cost to them. The nice thing about this tool that it does so by using an extremely easy to use Excel interface, and this will probably be the easiest tool that you'll ever use to calculate your distance and also your deadhead miles. Again, all my tools are built in Excel, and as such there is no installation necessary. All you need to use this is Excel installed on your computer. Usually you need a desktop version of the Excel, and this will work in both Windows and Mac. Now that I got that out of the way, let me show you really quick how it works. So the first step is pasting your data as you do in Excel. In the settings tab, we have to make sure that we have the correct settings and also the API key. I do have instructions on the website how to get the Google Maps API key. The Excel tool uses, all of my Excel tool uses the Google Maps API to generate those distances so that you can get accurate results. Once the data is in the spreadsheet, all you gotta do is click on the calculate button and the tool will do the rest. A small reminder, the data in column G is the distance between the pickup and the drop-off address. In column S, we have the deadhead miles or the empty miles. So that'll be the miles the driver drives from the previous drop-off to the next pickup. And that is it. I know that your model in your Excel file, if you're using an Excel file, might look a little bit different. So please don't hesitate to hit me up. My phone number and my email is in the description. If I can help you with an Excel model that has exactly what you need based on your current data, please don't hesitate to reach out. To download the specific tool, just click on the link in the description, and thank you until next time.